What is the single most important habit that improves data quality in GPCR projects run by early career scientists? Yeah, there's two concepts. I have seen projects spinning wheels on, yes, we need to reproduce the effect. The killer error, the thing that you don't want is to miss an active compound. So if you run a screen and you've screwed it up, you've missed the compound, you'll never see it again. Whereas there's no harm really in seeing an activity that isn't real, it's spurious, because you'll pick that up later. You will know it, and it costs you effort, perhaps, but it's still not a killer. However, I've seen screens that have been run and then rerun and then rerun, and of course, a screen is just a detection machine. It'll just pick up things, and you're not asking the question, is this compound therapeutically useful? You're simply asking, does a molecule interact with this stuff at all? So I would not spin wheels and repeat screens, because once you have a screen, take your hits and move on to more quantitative, careful studies. Then spurious activity will fall out. And then I cannot stress enough the importance of statistics, because my old boss used to say our worst enemy is wishful thinking. We want to see activity, and we'll see things in a small shift and say, maybe that's real. Statistics is a cold, hard, it just looks at the numbers, and this is where you repeat compounds. Go do it again and again, and let these statistics guide you to what is real and what is not real. So let's see, the single most important habit: don't waste time on detection assays, repeating them, and use statistics in the more careful quantitative assays. Of course, the real jump, where you jump the cliff, is where you put compounds in vivo. That's where your nice, well-ordered in vitro profiles get messed up, and so that's a whole different world. But start with picking up compounds and then understanding the ones that are good in vitro.
No, absolutely. And maybe one thing I'd put in front of everything you just said regarding being prepared, actually regarding this question, it's really being prepared. It's planning for it and knowing what are the steps that you're going to be taking, what's the assay, what are the controls, and then let the data speak. And to your point, Terry, numbers, statistics will tell you, and you'll be able to avoid wishful thinking.
Yep.